Hey, this is Sam from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to reheat steak in the air fryer. We have a mixture of ribeye, rump and sirloin, and we're going to show you how nice and how lovely they are again when you use the air fryer to reheat. Before we dive into this recipe, please note all recipes featured can be found on RecipeThis.com. We specialise in a worldwide readership and recipes are in both metric and imperial. We cook exclusively with kitchen gadgets. You'll find 1,000+ recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many more over at Recipe This. Okay, so far we've done sirloin steak in the air fryer today, ribeye steak in the air fryer today, and now freshly out is our rump steak in the air fryer. We've got the sirloin with a lovely barbecue seasoning. We've got the ribeye with oregano, and we've got the final one, which is the rump with some basil. Now, the idea here is I wanted to show you just how easy it is to reheat steak in the air fryer. Obviously, you wouldn't have this amount of steak left, but it's a perfect guide for you for if you have got half a bit of steak left and maybe you've been to a restaurant and you didn't quite finish your food, you brought home your doggy bag and you want to reheat it in the air fryer. So these are ours. Obviously they've recently been cooked. So what we're actually going to do now is I'm going to load them into the fridge so that they're at a similar temperature to what yours would be like if you were reheating yours after a restaurant. So I found a gap in my fridge and we'll come back to them in a couple of hours and then show you how it's done. These are our steaks. They've been sat in the fridge for hours and now they're perfect because they're nice and chilled to show you how to reheat them in the air fryer. We have sirloin, we have ribeye and we have rump. 3 very popular cuts of steak and perfect for reheating in the air fryer. I recommend 6 minutes on each side for reheating your steaks, but note that our air fryer is currently preheated, so I'm taking that down to 5 minutes on each side instead to make up for this. So if your air fryer is preheated, do note that. And then season with salt and then load them back into the air fryer unit. Now it's time to set the time and temp for reheating your steak. I recommend a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 5 minutes. And now let's check on these steaks that we're reheating. They've now done the 5 minutes on one side, so it's time to turn them over. I can already feel the heat on that steak. Right, and as you can see, they're all perfect there again. Plenty of room for them to reheat. And then a bit of salt, and I'm just going to check to see how hot they are in the middle. Right, they're coming along nicely already. And that's because our air fryer has a preheat. It can really throw you off with your time and temps if you're not used to it. So instead of 5 minutes, I'm going to knock it down to 4. So that'll mean 5 minutes on one side, 4 on the other. But you know, if your air fryer is not preheated, 6 and 6 will work perfectly. And we've beat. And wow, perfectly reheated steak via the air fryer. So let's look at it a bit closer and see how it's doing. Oh, I think I need a fork for this, ridiculously hot, which is a good thing because that means your steak's thoroughly reheated. So that's one steak. Look at this one. Wow, that one's perfectly reheated too. And what about good old sirloin? And just like that, the smell has drifted through the Milner house. And Ali's back in our kitchen sniffing away, wondering where her portion is. So let me show you it closer up. I'll use a fork for that. Can't believe how hot it is. And that's the sirloin. It's another one of the steaks. And then finally, the best bit of all, the ribeye. And I can't wait to tuck into this now. So if you have got some steak left over, this is what you can do with it. Or an alternative is, just chop it into slices and have it as some leftover beef tacos. Well, this is my platter of leftover steak that's been reheated in the air fryer. It is really, really good. You know, if you think reheating steak would ruin it, it's totally the opposite. It makes it so good. And you can season it more if you want. You can make it into tacos. You can use it in other dishes too, like a stroganoff. It's totally up to you. Or you could just serve it as a serving platter with some nice dips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com, join the weekly newsletter at RecipeThis too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.